The other point I'd like to touch on is just making sure, particularly in large organisations, that the part of the business buying and managing the insurance is talking to and understanding the operational requirements of the business from a flight perspective. We do see some coverages out there which have limitations on, for example, number of flight hours per drone or number of drones in the air, or the need to name pilots for them to be insured. All of that's okay, provided there's, systems and procedures within the organisation to comply with those. Asset and document management is another one which I know sounds really boring, and I'm sorry, but it's really important. So, keeping good asset registers up to date is very helpful. It's something we love to see as an insurer. There's, aside from the difficulty of managing that paperwork, when something's half completed, a bit scrappy or a bit ratty, it potentially leads to other questions about risk management and communication. So keeping those really good records in the right place so that we can have them quickly if we need them is very helpful to us. And the last one is just timing. So in line with that trend that we talked about of operations getting potentially more complex, if you are planning on doing something new or unusual or exciting, as an insurance provider, we would love to hear about that. I think there's times when, things need to move quickly, but there's also times when, we get a late Friday mercy call because something is happening on a Saturday, and insurance has been the last thing that's been thought about. So the more time that you can provide your insurance provider, particularly on those trickier things, I would suggest the more likely you are to get a positive response and a helpful response and a useful set of terms and conditions.